So we went to Lancita, which is a Filipino store in this area in Louisville, and I wanted to get some Cloud9 chocolate bars, but they didn't have any. So if anybody out there has any Cloud9s that you don't want to eat, just mail them to me. I'll eat them for you. Hi everybody, we're going to make brownies, Filipina brownies. She likes my brownies. She didn't eat brownies much until she got with me, and now she likes brownies, but only if I make them. We'll use some Betty Crocker fudge. Every last piece of it.
Right here.
Well, we'll add these cheap chocolate chips. More chocolate. More chocolate, the better. Still got more here. More. I have to eat them too.
No.
Have to feed her some.
I have lipstick. Wash your hands, guys. Have lipstick in your finger.
We need 2 eggs.
Just put it here. You put it in.
We need a 1/2 cup vegetable oil. Might finish this one up. A little bit left.
Don't have time.
Get most of it to drip out. 3 tablespoons of water. One, 2, 3.
Mana?
Mana.
Louder. Umana.
Umana. It is more chocolate syrup because we want more and more and more and more chocolate.
You want.
You want it.
No, not me. He's always excited.
Let's preheat the oven to 350 and we'll start stirring. She put a little bit of vegetable oil in the cooking pan. You just substitute it for any other cup of stuff you put in there to make it not stick. Vegetable oil works fine. We don't use a mixture, we just whisk it.
Your muscles.
Makes your wrist tired. No, I make sure I get out all of it. Mixed well. And now this is the part she has to do because I'm not very good at it. She pours it out and gets every little bit scooped off of it.
You wanna hold?
I hold the bowl because it needs to be more steady while we're scraping all this out. Because we don't want to wash it out, we want to eat it, so we get every bit scraped out.
It's a teamwork.
For a 9x9 pan, you cook about 35 minutes.
But do you know cook 30?
It says about 35, but we might do 30. But I need to wait until this gets warmed up all the way.
What's this thread? So the brownie is ready.
We went to the Filipino store yesterday and she found some her old snacks that she liked to eat before in the Philippines. And one of these is a roller coaster, these little cheese flavored potato crisps. And I got into them today and I ate most of the bag. I was worried she might be Tampo when she finds out that I ate most of her roller coasters, but she's okay so far.
I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and click the bell to
the bottom if you haven't already, so you will be notified for the next uploads. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye.